Good day everyone, my name is Tenure Vitaysar and I am from BS Intrep Block 2. So today I'm going to discuss about the Cedula personal task. What is Cedula personal tax? Cedula personal tax o mas kilala sa tawag na Community Tax Certificate. Usa ni siya sa mga buwis nga dapat ginabayaran sa mga tao o mga residente diri sa Pilipinas nga naay mga trabaho or naay mga negosyo. Cedula personal tax. Explain the taxation system work and who exposed it. Originally exposed by the Spanish colonial government, it replaced the tribute system in the 19th century and required all residents to pay an annual tax in exchange for certificate of identification. How the system worked. Abolition of tribute. In 1884, the Spanish crown abolished the tribute system or tributo, which had been a heavy burden on the Filipino populace since the 16th century. So, ang Cedula personal tax at kung paano ito gumagana. Ang Cedula o community tax ay bahagi ng local taxation system ng Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, ito ay hindi national tax tulad ng income tax na binabayaran ng BIR, kundi local na buwis na pinangangasiwaan ng mga lungsod o ng ating munisipyo. Discuss its effects on Filipinos, positive and negative in its rule and governance. Positive effects and aspects. Taxes are the main source of income for the Philippine government. Without the taxes, the government would not have enough funds to operate or provide public services. Discuss its effects on Filipinos, positive and negative in its rule and governance. Negative effects. Burden on low-income earners. Ang mga mahirap o karaniwang manggagawa ay madalas naapektuhan dahil pareho lang ang buwis na binabayaran nila kumpara sa mas mayaman, lalo na sa indirect taxes. Discuss its effects on Filipinos, positive and negative in its rule and governance. Rule of governance. Main source of government revenue. Ang buwis ang pinakamahalagang pinagkukunan ng pondo ng pamahalaan. Sa pamamagitan ng buwis, nagkakaroon ng pera ang gobyerno para sa mga proyekto at serbisyo tulad ng edukasyon. Taxation and history. Shift from goods to money. Historically, taxes were often paid in labor or in kind payments like agricultural products. Today, taxes are almost exclusively collected in money. Taxation before was a sign of obedience to rulers or colonizers. Today, it is a civic duty that supports the government and helps build the nation.